How's it going?
John, I want to know how long you have this problem.
This problem's been going on for about 18 months now.
Yeah. What happened?
So I was just working and I had a pain in my left hip.
Yeah.
And so I went to my doctors.
Yeah.
And they sent me to a specialist.
Yeah.
And they diagnosed it as being a fractured femur.
Okay. Did the CT scan or X-ray?
Yes, no, they did the
X-ray.
CT scan.
CT scan.
And MRI.
MRI.
The whole lot, and it was a bit inconclusive. It wasn't that clear that it did have a fracture.
Yeah.
But one specialist said, yes, there is a fracture there, so you need an operation to stop it from getting worse.
Okay. What did you feel? Just feel pain or on your hips or not?
I was in a lot of pain.
A lot of pain. How much the pain?
Pain was like 10 out of 10. I had to use 2 crutches.
But can't walk normally.
No, cannot walk. No.
Can't walk normally. Okay. They did an operation.
Yes, so they ended up sticking a steel plate in to try to hold the bone together. That was put in, but I still ended up having to use crutches for
how long?
For another
1 year and half a year.
Half a year.
Okay. Yeah. After the operation, after the surgery, what did you feel? Feel better or not?
No. After the operation, I actually felt worse for the next 12 months.
12 months.
And I was going back to visit them, regularly. On a regular basis, and they were saying, "Oh, you just need to wait, just need to wait, just need to wait."
Yeah.
And then 12 months later, I ended up having the second surgery, which was taking the plate out. And then as soon as they took the plate out, some of my pain went away, not all of it.
So the pain still stay in the hips.
Still stay, but not as bad as when the bracket was in.
Okay. Yeah. How much for the pain? Yeah. After the second surgery.
Still painful. Still on crutches. Still
use
crutches.
Couldn't walk normally.
No, I couldn't walk normally. Still.
Okay. How do you find the acupuncture?
So it was suggested. I was going to physio for a long time afterwards as well.
Yeah.
And one of the things the physio noticed is that I wasn't improving, and he actually recommended that I do find myself an acupuncturist. Okay. You found me from the Google or from your friend? No, we just Googled.
Okay. What do you think of the acupuncture in human at the moment?
Now, brilliant. It's amazing how much time I wasted until I had it done. It's like I said, I was skeptical at first, but I definitely would give it a go straight away now.
Maybe you didn't trust the acupuncture before man treatment.
It's not a case of trust, it's a case of not knowing what it involves.
Don't understand the acupuncture.
Yeah, don't understand.
No more knowledge about acupuncture.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, the fact that lets you know more acupuncture. Thank you. Come here. Yeah, normal.